We want to make this video for folks who are interested in new builds. If you've thought about it, if you're shopping for a new home, if you want to just get some info and don't even want to talk to a salesperson quite yet, this is why we're doing this show. What's up, everybody? Thank you for joining us on the Trail Run, your exclusive look at our community here, Trailside on Harmony in Timnath, Colorado. My name is Amal Gumbs. I am the sales advisor for Wonderland Homes. I'm a new home sales vet, been selling homes for 10 years. What I'm gonna do here today is run through one of our move-in ready homes right behind me. This one is the Aspen. It's a 4-bed, 2.5 bath home, right around 1,900 square feet. If you checked out our last trail run video, we actually toured this same plan in a different location at a different stage of construction. One was at frame, one was at drywall, and this one is the finished product. So go ahead, hit that subscribe if you want to stay updated with our community here, Trailside on Harmony. And we're gonna go check this one out. Come on. All right, here is the home, and the address on this one is 6111 Bougainville Boulevard. So we're gonna walk right in here. Love the front porch on this. Love the spicy red front door. And here we are. Beautiful, beautiful home. As you can see, this one is move-in ready. We are putting our finishing touches on this home. Love this plan. Checking out the kitchen here. This is our chef's kitchen package. You get the vented hood, the gas cooktop. I'm assuming on this backsplash here, a beautiful subway tile. Kind of has a little bit of a gloss to it, which is really nice. Ton of counter space in here. This is gonna be your microwave oven combo. That's your pantry right here. Zooming around here, that's a shot of your covered patio. So all of our homes come with a covered patio. Here's another great shot of this kitchen island. And this is a quartz material. Beautiful, stunning kitchen right here. All right, let's check it out. Let's go upstairs. All right, now we're upstairs. We're checking out the owner's suite. So like I said, putting the finishing touches on this one. Here's a good shot of your shower. We did a really cool shower pan in this one. Take a quick peek at the owner's suite. We did do a vaulted ceiling in here. Gives you kind of that spacious feel. We do have a barn door to the bathroom, which is a nice touch. And then right down the hall here, we do have a secondary bedroom, perfect for your little one, maybe an office. Cool windows in the top. And then we'll swing around here, take a look at our upstairs laundry room. So very convenient. We did a tile floor in here. I'm gonna lug everything downstairs. Here is a shot of the secondary bathroom. So as you can see, we carried that same countertop through the secondary baths here. We did an upgraded bath fixture, kind of modern look. Another bedroom. Again, perfect for the kids, perfect for the office, perfect for that yoga room, that workout space, that music studio. Another bedroom here. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna zoom in here. I don't know if you guys can see, that is the community pool there. See the slides right across the street from the park there. So Trailside on Harmony, known for its trails. Over 7 miles of trails gonna be in the neighborhood. All right, we just walked through that home there. Beautiful home. Like I said, that one's gonna be ready in the next 30 days. So if you have any questions, we could send you any info on this one, hit the link below. We'll be more than happy to schedule a tour, get you more info. And yeah, we could try to definitely make this one yours. So we do have a promotion still going on. It is our spin and save. So if you go to our website, wonderlandhomes.com, hit that spin and save button, you spin that money wheel, you could win up to $15,000 off the price of the home. That promotion is only good through the 24th of this month, July 24th. Stay tuned for our live stream, trail run live stream. So we do those every Tuesday, where we're gonna walk through our paired product. It's a little bit more affordable product. And then I'll talk about the 3 tips to get you the best deal on your next home. And that 3rd tip is gonna blow your mind. My name is Amal. Once again, I'm with Wonderland Homes. Our community is Trailside on Harmony. And thank you for watching the trail run. All right, see you next time on the trail.